Hi, this is Danielle Gruen with LivingCareers.net, career counseling and life coach for the greater Los Angeles area and nationwide as well. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about feeling exhausted. Feeling exhaustion can be caused from physical exhaustion, emotional exhaustion, and even spiritual exhaustion. And a lot of times we forget that really these are all interconnected. So if you're finding yourself feeling exhausted, it's really important that you take a look at your inner mind's eye to have a better understanding of really where this exhaustion is coming from. And one of the best ways to do this is, believe it or not, a little bit of journaling. I encourage people to keep either a composition book or even a small little notepad that you can fit in your back pocket or in your purse or your jacket, and carry it around with you. And when you start noticing times of the day when you're feeling exhausted, that you take note of that time and where you are and what you've been involved in during that day. It's also good to take note of how you're feeling, what emotionally is going on for you, and also maybe what you've eaten if you were recently having a meal or a snack. So these are some really great things to keep in mind, especially for those who are going through a career transition or who are actively in the job search. With exhaustion, what happens is we actually function significantly less than our optimal self normally would. And as you can imagine, this is not the best scenario for someone on the job search. So until next time, this is Danielle Gruen with Living Careers. Thank you, and remember, it's your life. Make the most.